Hey, what are you doing?
I'm a popsicle.
Where?
My mouth.
In your mouth? Where are we?
A swing.
On our swing, yeah. Hey, I heard you're having a birthday.
Huh?
You're having a birthday party?
Yes.
Yes? Where is it going to be?
In the backyard in the house.
And how old are you going to be?
3.
Yay!
Bethany's gonna be there.
Bethany's going to be there? Cool.
And she's gonna go to my house.
Yeah, she's excited to come, I think. And what do you want for your birthday?
Funny worms and different makeup and purse for makeup.
Purse for makeup? I feel like there was something else on your list. Do you remember what it was?
No. I think it was a purse.
A purse, and we remembered that already? Okay. Well, what do you do with funny worms?
You stay outside with them.
Yeah, because they make a mess, don't they?
Yeah.
Huh?
And they can get, we don't bring funny worms in the house.
No, we don't. That's a good idea.
We don't bring grass or rocks or funny worms.
Grass or rocks or funny worms in the house, huh?
No.
Funny worms are in a can, and then we spray them, and it sprays everywhere and makes a mess, right? And are they lots of different colors?
Yeah.
Fun. Hey, there's Mealy. Mealy. Hi, baby. Hey. What are you doing? Hey, Mealy. Look here. Boo.
There's dirt on her face.
Yeah, I think she was trying to eat dirt or something. I thought she was going to stand up for us. See if she can do it. She's trying. She's trying. Think she's not going to? All right. We'll turn it off.